now mfethu uthola umuntu uyazi athi no, you cheat, I cheat, it's my body. No, it's not the same. It's not the same. You cheat, I cheat. Tina, as a man, I can sleep with 1,000 women. I don't feel the impact. There are people that I don't even remember them. But with you, you carry them throughout. Emotionally, physically, they're with you. And then that's why most women are into mental institution. You know, if you want me, you must deal with my trauma. The next thing umuntu wenza amathathu babheke. Namathathu akhona. Thina amadoda amathathu wethu. It's about conquest.
Yeah.
Ingwenya, ingwenya. Dawu, bubesi. A conquer. Oh, it's victimhood. Kuyakhala. Gedla kwamazinyo. Izono ziyosula. All bodies shall be refreshed. Izosula izono. Some what. Amathathu wabo kuyakhala nje ukugedla kwamazinyo. You know, all sins shall be forgiven. Women tattoo, maybe once in a while is the mother. You know, my mother passed on, but hey, ngapha wenza uOka weNigeria. Yabo, unoOka wamshiya nomntwana, uthatha umntwana weNigeria. Uyabhala ukuthi ngiyakukhumbula. Now you have to deal with those things wena mohlangana namobheka ama-tattoo mfethu amonye enza ama-barbed wire. Lo muntu kuye kunzimeni. Lo muntu kuye kunzimeni. Because they're promoting that, you know. Noma unayo umuntu wakhona mfethu. Uyabona ukuthi kuzela ngezinye izinto esingazazi. Yabo.
Yeah, nanokuthi straight men are scared now.
Yeah.
Yabo. Yeah. But they will find it rude if you ukhuluma iqiniso.
Uthi uyamkhuza umuntu wakhona because social media has made them think that they are wanted. Umfazi onjani udriver ku TikTok ugcwele yonke indawo uyaposta wonke umuntu alokathi nice ufuna ivalidation. Thina mfethu basazi nomakoti mfethu ukhamba amakoti bamanje mfethu uphethe ifone emshadweni. So those are things that ezenza ukuthi mfethu this enterprise marriage namadoda amanye athola but
mina mfethu mangifuna umfazi ngeke ngithathe umfazi ku social media waziwayo odumile kuthiwa ngisangithana nalowo muntu loyo kancane nxa uyokhuluma ku social media uzothana nami ahlale nami. I'll never do that. Even kwi-industry now nakhumalo ngeke ngabona kwi-industry like bengi-actor kwenye drama, so even noma director wakhona maye gay, straight men were trying to be gay, they walk fun. I was like, hey, they
try to comply.
Yeah, I was comply. I'm like, so now bro, you don't stand on business.